Your portfolio and resume prove you can do the work. This final lesson makes recruiters find and believe it, and gets you ready for the interview. You will rewrite your LinkedIn profile as an IT support professional, with your labs and certifications front and center. Target the right job titles, mirror job description keywords, and send outreach that actually gets replies. Then you will prepare for the interview and set up a weekly loop. The goal is simple: convert 6 months of study and a strong portfolio into interviews and offers. Start at the top. Your headline is the most searched field on LinkedIn, so name the role you want, your key tools, and your certifications, something like Helpdesk and desktop support, Windows, Active Directory, Microsoft 365 and Intune, CompTIA A+ and Network Plus. Your About should open with one positioning line, prove it with your capstone and projects, then name your certifications and target role. The featured section is your portfolio strip. Link your repo and a demo video there. And add the skills that match real postings, pinning the most important, because skills drive recruiter search. Do not hide your capstone because it was self-directed. For a career changer, documented labs and projects are legitimate, demonstrable experience. List each one in the projects or experience section with the same structure as your resume: a one-line problem, the tools, and a result, linking to your portfolio. Then turn on Open to work with your target titles and locations so you appear in the recruiter pool immediately. And keep the tone warm and plain throughout, because customer service is half of this job, so let your communication show. The same entry-level skill set is posted under several titles, so search and set alerts for Helpdesk Technician, Desktop Support, IT Support Specialist, Service Desk Analyst, and related terms like Technical Support. Read 10 real postings and note the recurring tools and phrases. That vocabulary is what you mirror, truthfully, in your profile and resume. Both recruiter searches and applicant tracking systems rank you on keyword relevance, so using the postings' real terms, only for skills you actually have, makes you findable. It is alignment, not invention. Applications alone are a low-yield channel. Warm outreach multiplies your odds. Keep messages short, specific, and respectful. To a recruiter, name the role, point to your labs and certifications, and make a small ask for a quick chat. To IT staff at a target company, reference something real, a tool the team uses or a post they shared, then a one-line fit statement and a small ask for advice. Never send identical boilerplate to hundreds of people, it reads as spam. 10 specific messages beat 200 generic ones. Entry-level interviews test how you troubleshoot and how you treat people. For scenarios like a user cannot print or Outlook will not connect, answer with your methodology, gather information, reproduce, isolate the layer, whether it is the user, device, network, permissions, or service, test a theory, fix, verify, and document. They care how you think more than the one right answer, so use your capstone tickets as examples. For customer service questions, answer with star, and emphasize calm, empathy, and clear communication. Support is a people job as much as a technical one. Interviewers also check that you know basic service management vocabulary from Module 4. Know the difference between an incident, where the goal is to restore service, and a service request, which is a standard ask like new access. Know that a problem is the underlying cause of repeated incidents, and be ready to explain why SLAs, priority, and escalation exist. You do not need deep ITIL expertise, you need to speak the language confidently, which signals you will fit into a real service desk from day one. Momentum comes from a routine, not a one-time sprint. Each week, apply to 5 to 10 well-matched roles with tailored language, send 5 to 10 specific outreach messages, extend or polish one portfolio item so your featured section keeps improving, and rehearse one set of interview answers, a scenario, a star story, or an ITIL term. Track every application in a simple sheet so you follow up deliberately. The job search is a pipeline, keep it full and keep moving candidates through it, and the portfolio you built becomes the first IT job you accept. Congratulations, and go get it.